Yahoo! It's really cold here, my God, because it's still still snowing and it's raining, freezing rain, you know. Look at that. It was an ice in here. Look, it's an ice. My God, that's why I need to be careful. And this morning, I need to go and check my cook. Uy, baliktad pala yung aking ano. It's raining and it's still snowing. Oh, ganito ang nangyari dito sa aming lugar. Look at that. It's freezing right now. Look. Nag-ulan ng ice. Ayan oh, look at. I'm gonna show you because the water trough or they cannot drink water. Oh my God. Molly, are you okay? Look at the cows. You can go still there in the barn. Oh, we need to break the ice on the water trough. Oh my God, look at that. It's hard. Look at Wilbur. It's very tough. Look at him. Are you okay, Wilbur? Wilbur's still eating the hay. Look, I'm gonna show you guys because now it's still raining, the freezing rain. Oh my God. It's really cold here, down below zero. I'm gonna show you Wilbur is eating the hay. Yeah. I think he's okay. Are you okay, Wilbur? Oh my God. We're gonna feed them. Look! Ah! Ang lamig. Look at our cows. Oh, I hope they can still okay. They're okay. Honey, did you open all the gates? Oh my God, why did you close? Oh my God, it's really cold here. It's raining. It's freezing. Oh my God. Oh no. Look. So this morning it goes like this. Ayan o, umuulan ng snow. Ang kapal naman ng ano ngayon. Kasi kanina umaga nag-sleet eh. So ngayon, ayan o. So still snowing here. Winter Wonderland is in Texas right now in our area. Oh my God. And the cow's still in there. Oh no. I'm gonna you see that? You know. And the cows are there. They're eating. Oh, kapal. Whew. Oh no. Sinicheck ko lang sila. Ayan o. They're very tough though, but you see that? Wilbur, there's another side. Look. And the other side is there. They're there together. Oh my God. Whew. Ang kapal. Oh. Nilalamig na talaga ako dito. So this is now that I can show you all around here in our area. In the countryside, of course, here in Texas. This is our ranch here. Look at that. Hope the cows are okay. Oh my God. Ayan o. Nandoon sila. Ang kapal, diba? Giniginaw ako. Giniginaw. Ang lakas. Ayan. Buhay nga naman. Look at them. It's a winter wonderland here in our area. The poop is here. Look at that poop. Yeah. It's 2 to 5 inches snow today. I think it's still raining. Look at that. Oh my God, it's really hard for them, you know, because it's like this, it's snowing. Hopefully they can survive with this icy storm, you know. Look at that. They are eating right now. Give them food. And look at their hay. It's covered with snow. Oh my god, covered with ice sleet. Yeah, all the grass here are covered with ice. So they stay there on the barn. On that barn. Yeah, they stay there. And we have another barn in there too, so that they can stay. But most of them, they squeeze there together. Yeah. Look at that. Still snowing down here right now in our area at the countryside here in Dallas, here in northwest of Fort Worth. Yeah. It's like 3 to 5 inches now today. Yeah, so here, ganun talaga. All the grass are covered with the ice and snow, you know. Yeah, since this morning it was like it's isolated on the driveway, so that's why I didn't go to work today. So I just better to stay home and be safe, right? So I'm keep checking for them if they are okay. So far okay naman sila. Ayan, kaya lang malamig talaga. Hi, it's winter wonderland here in our area in Texas. Kaya hindi naman gaano mag-snow dito, kaya ganun. Ayan, oh, super lamig, nilalamig nga ako eh. Ayan. So here, look at them. They're waiting for their snacks because it's really cold and still snowing down here right now. So we need to flip over this roof here because it's full of ice. Look at that snow. So they're waiting. Oh my god. So they're very tough, you know, but oh my god, look at them. And the other side of them, but still keep snowing. Yeah, I think Mrs. C doesn't want to share it. Ayan, nagdito ako ngayon kasi sinicheck ko yung mga ano doon sa kabila. Yung ano ko. Ang lamig, sober lamig. Kaya ayan. Ayan o. Ayan o. Medyo makapal yung snow ngayon eh. Ayan. Kapal-kapal yung snow ngayon. Super. Ayan ba? Ang lamig. Buti nag-stop na. Ay, ang lamig talaga. Super. Nandito ako ngayon. So ano, chinichik sila. Hi Puko, Polita. Are you okay? Oh, they are wearing jackets now. Coats. Look. Are you okay? It's feel cold. Woo. Woo. You know. Ayos na. Ice sleet. Nilalamig ako, naginginig yung kamay ko. Alright, see you around. Ang lakas. Oh no, kasi nag-below pricing kami ngayon. Until tomorrow to. Oh no. Alright guys. See you. Bye.